latitude and longitude of a user or any address without using any third party website or using any paid website. So let me click here map.google.com. This is the website that display the user location or address on the Google map. For example, if you want to get the latitude and longitude of your location, you can type any address here. For example, let me type this one. So I can search any address on the Google map. Okay, and for example, I want to get the latitude and longitude of this location. I will click here, right click here, and you can see this is the exact location. And in the URL, if you copy this URL, and let me close this again, and you can see, just to make sure you are on the exact location. So I am on that location, that is my required location. So this is the URL, this is the URL. This URL contains latitude and longitude and address of the location. So simply copy this URL and just type here. You can see this is the Google Map URL that's showing the location of your Google Map. So if you can see, after the address you have the this symbol at sign, this one, this one, and this one. So this is the value of latitude and this is the value of longitude. So these are the two values that we can use to in our website where we need the latitude and longitude of any location. So let me repeat the steps again. We will open the maps of Google. Here we can see the different locations. These are the Google Maps. For example, let me click here. If I can see, if I click here, so it is showing me the location. This is the direction. Okay, uh, I can simply copy the URL, something like that. This is the URL. Just for I'm typing here again, just to make sure that we are on the exact space where we are. So it's showing me the same location. Okay, from the URL, I will copy this URL. In URL, if you see, there is the at sign. After at sign, you can see there are the two values. First one is the latitude value and next one is the longitude value. These are the two values that we can use to detect the Google Map location.